Alright, we're back. Take my deburring tool and I lightly deburr the port entrance here. Take off that sharp edge that was there. There we go. Okay, now we're going to work on the combustion chamber side here. So we just got to blend this stuff in a little bit. So we're going to use this one here. Go in and knock this down. I'm going to blend that to this and this one to this. I'm going to run this cutter through here and knock these edges down. There's a little bit of an edge right there. The rest of the blend, so we can use a lot with this. You don't want to get too much material off, and you definitely don't want to hit the valve seat. Could be some issues if you do all that. Let's see if I get the camera over a little bit closer, we can see better. Definitely hard to see. Alright, do this angle here first. It's all about the angle you hold it at. Cutting that down there helps the low lift flow. Up here is high lift flow. Let's see. Use this one now. See, this has a ball radius to get in the nose radius to get down the corner, and then you got the flat spot to blend this all in one tool. Alright, give it a sharp edge. Sharp edges are always bad. Alright, quick and simple. Most of the cutting's on the intake side because it needs the most. Probably right there wouldn't hurt a little bit more. This side doesn't matter as much. Exhaust is under pressure, it's going out. Yeah, hit it right there just a little bit more. rough there. Got to knock that out of there. We can't have rough in here. Let's make a nice smooth flow. So now the intake valve opens up, and the air can come right around and get out of the damn chamber. Alright, that's about it for that. That's pretty good. Okay, let me get these cleaned up and I'll be back. Alright, here's the heads after all the porting. So, here's what they look like now. Both look pretty equal, hopefully. There's our exhaust side. So, anyway, it'll definitely flow some air through there now. So the valves have already been obviously all done also. So, they go like that. That's what they look like all together. Up inside the light go. Up inside the port, you can see as soon as that valve opens, it's flowing air out of there. That's what you want. And the exhaust side, same thing. As it opens up a little bit, she's flowing air. Okay, that's how you do that. And on the combustion chamber side, when these valves open up, you got a large gap around the valve head there, so it'll flow all the way around it real cleanly. So you're not losing so much airflow around there. Now the exhaust doesn't need as much clearance I have, but the cutter only got the one cutter, so what you get on one, you get on the other. I can't change that, so it is what it is. It doesn't hurt to have a little extra on exhaust, but it ain't needed. The intake definitely needed. So you can see how when I did all that, as soon as that valve opens up, it's got airflow going around that thing right there. It's flowing good air. As it opens up further, it keeps going. So there you go. That's how you do that. This job's for another shop, so they're going to do the assembly themselves. So they're going to check all the clearances and do what they're going to do. So that's what I get paid to do, is do that part. So is it 1 o'clock now? So there goes so much for my day off. We're now in the work day, so now we're getting a fresh start on the next day. We've been doing that for an hour now already. So there you go. Alright, so like I said, normal job, you have to do all your install heights and spring check and all that, but for me, this one's done. So there you go. That's how you do a port job on an Evo.